could. You have the time, but you don't.
You just run in blind. There's a difference, Barry, between having powers and having precision.
When I came to you thinking about going out and helping people, you said I could be an inspiration.
Living this life, well, it takes more than a mask. It takes discipline. And since you are probably as stubborn as I am...
Wait, what is that for?
You're gonna run over there, you're gonna come back at me, and you're gonna get hit with an arrow.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, fine. I will humor you. Ready?
Ready.
Nice try. Ah! Ah! You shot me?